Hello guys, this is Ask Anastasia. As always, charging my beautiful Tesla and decide to do another video for you. If it's your first time on this channel, I'm talking about investing in real estate, about passive income, how to retire early, all this cool stuff. So if you like this kind of topics, please subscribe. And if you're gonna hit this like button, I would really appreciate it. It's helping me to grow my channel. But let's come to the topic today. What I want to talk is about landlord and tenant relationship. And what I would suggest to the tenant is simply be nice. You know, I have two different tenants with the same problem, and they come to the problem from two different points. I just don't know how to explain. You know, it's the same issue. Like, let's say you have a plumbing problem, and one tenant who is really nice, you know, and she's always very respectful, and she's probably having problems more often than other tenants, but because of her personality, because of how she's texting, you know, she would just text, "Hi Miss Anna, I'm so sorry to bother you, but we have this problem in our kitchen again. Would you please send somebody? It's not rush, but if you could take care of it, I would appreciate." And you know, comparing to the different lady who is not even contacting me, and what she's doing, she's calling city and complain, and city would send city inspector, which gonna issue an order, you know, for me to fix the thing, but they're doing it, they're giving me 30 days to do it. So you know, and I approached her a couple times and asked her, would you please fill out this form, you know, and I'm gonna send somebody in the next 48 hours. But it's just her personality, and she believes that all landlords are really bad and they want to screw her, and they are getting rich out of her hard-earned money, even though she's a Section 8 tenant and she's paying zero out of her pocket. She's just, I don't know, she just decided that being nasty, you know, and mean and rude gonna get her to this place where she wanna be. But what's happening when I'm talking about my first tenant, Miss Teresa, I can't even, you know, put her name out. She's an amazing woman, you know, she's raising like 5 kids by herself, she's working hard, but her personality, it's really making me want to help her, you know, even she's late sometimes with rent, or you know, she's like damaging something in the unit. Because of her personality, I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna respond to her to whatever problem she has much faster than I'm gonna do it for my other tenant. So I'm just trying to give an advice, you know, we're all human being, and you know that you can get much more with honey than with vinegar. So you know, if you're a tenant, be nice. If you're a landlord, I really do not understand these people who are like really proud of themselves, saying, yes, I'm a slum landlord and these tenants are terrible. You know, you chose this business, and as every business, it has ups and downs, and yes, you do need to deal with the people. And I also, you know, I'm getting text when people are just frustrated. You know, we are all scared right now. We don't know what's gonna happen. We don't know, you know, if we're gonna have a work tomorrow or not, and if we're gonna become homeless. This is a scary thing. But you know, I want to give another example about being late with your rent. The same issue. I have two different tenants. Those two tenants are in California, and California, you know, just if you don't know why people are moving out of California and why landlords are not extremely happy about California real estate, just to give an idea, eviction in Cincinnati, it's cost about, if you're hiring an attorney, it's cost $300 to $400. If you're doing it yourself, it's $150 to $200. And it's usually take, I would say, 3 weeks from the day you file for the eviction to the day when sheriff it's coming and you put all the thing outside. In California right now, I was talking to the lawyer because I have tenant who is not paying, and she told me that eviction usually take like 6 months, and retainer fees that I have to pay, it's $2,500. But right now, because of all this COVID, and backlog of cases, it's gonna take about year and a half. So when you decide, in a market where you want to invest, think about it. Check the eviction procedures. Check if state it's landlord friendly or tenants friendly. In Ohio, I believe they are trying to bring all these old houses back to life, and they want to be as friendly as possible to the landlords. That's why it's taken 2-3 weeks, and it's cost $200-$300 to do it. But coming back to California, 2 tenants, both of them cannot pay. One tenant texted me on the first of the month saying that I'm so sorry, I'm not getting my unemployment anymore, I'm looking for work every day, I can pay you $500 and another $500 probably on 10 of the months, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna come up with another $500, but I'm gonna keep you posted. Please accept my apologies. I know that you have a mortgage in a house. What would be my reaction? Of course I want to help. Of course I told her that don't stress out, we're gonna work it out, you can pay 500, pay 500, you cannot, it's fine. And she has been living in a property for 2 years, never been late. And comparing to another lady, her rent is much higher. It's about $3,000 every month. And what she's doing when I'm asking her, I know it's hard, but would you be able to pay rent this month? What's going on? She's responding to me, I don't know, leave me alone. I'm gonna do what I can do. And she's trying to move out, and again, she gave me like 5 different dates when she's gonna move out, and right now she is like, I don't know, I cannot move out and I cannot pay rent. And she's really, I understand that maybe she's stressed the same way like my other tenant, but by being nice to people, it's gonna take you much further. And I'm just people who know me, and I'm not a mean person, but I'm in a business, of rentals, and my landlords, they have mortgages, they have expenses, and they need this rental money to survive too. If you're thinking that landlords are making a ton of money, if you're a landlord, you know how much money is left. If you're a tenant, just think about it. They have to pay mortgage. Probably you're not aware, but there is a home insurance that you need to have an insurance on your property. There is a taxes that you need to pay, property taxes that landlord has to pay. There is repairs that coming every month, and if you guys stop paying rent, what's gonna happen? Landlord's gonna lose their houses. It's gonna go foreclosure, and still, you're gonna lose your home. I'm praying that government gonna come up with some ideas, something, but it cannot be just no rent, because we are moving into different era, I would say, and nobody knows what's gonna happen. We don't know, it's look like work is changing, and so many people realize that they can really work from home, but you need home to work from, to sleep, to, like, I don't know, I used to rent like for 8 years in my life, and it was always first bill that's coming, it's my rent. because I cannot imagine being a homeless person. Hopefully you guys think about this too, and if you agree, put your comments below. If you disagree, I also always welcome critique, and I like to see different point of view. Thank you guys, I appreciate you all. Again, thank you for supporting me, and I hope that I'm gonna continue bring interesting subject. If you have any questions, just leave in a comment below. I'm gonna try to answer, okay? Thank you and have a great day.